subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has launched its new mid-range smartphone under X series in China called Honor X20 with 5G support, and it is slightly an upgraded version of the recently launched Honor X20 SE smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Honor X20 features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it has 94.4% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, paired with Mali G78MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM that can be expanded up to 2GB by using internal storage, and there is 128 or 256GB of onboard storage options. As per the camera, the Honor X20 supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a circular module at the top center that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the pill-shaped hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Magic UI 4.2 skin on top. The device comes backed by 4300 mAh battery that supports 66W super fast charging, and additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.8 by 74.7 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor X20 has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 2,199 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Aurora Blue, Midnight Black, and Titanium Silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Honor X20 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.